Here we go.
Hello, I'm Dr. Alana Graham, Secondary Director of Teaching and Learning with Cabot Public Schools. We're so excited about the upcoming school year and can't wait to welcome our students back. I'm here to share some important back-to-school information for our 7th through 12th grade students. Let's start with junior high. Orientation for both Cabot Junior High North and Cabot Junior High South will be held on Thursday, July 30th at 6 p.m. Junior High North students will meet in the cafeteria, Junior High South students will meet in the gym. Student schedules will be released online through the Home Access Center starting Thursday, July 30th at 8 a.m. If you have forgotten your password, go to the HACC website and click on Forgot Password to reset it. If you need to make a schedule change, call your school. Now, let's talk about 9th grade and Cabot Freshman Academy. Schedules will also be available on Thursday, July 30th at 8 a.m. via HACC. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to the CFA Counseling Department. On the day schedules are released, CFA will be open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. for self-guided tours. This is a great chance to walk the campus, find your classrooms, and feel prepared before open house or the first day of school. Cabot High School students, this next part is for you. Sophomore and new student orientation is Sunday, July 26th at 2 p.m. in the Fine Arts Auditorium. If you can't attend, there's a second session on Tuesday, July 28th at 6 p.m. in the same location. Now, here's the schedule release dates. Seniors, Tuesday, July 28th at 8 a.m. Juniors, Wednesday, July 29th at 8 a.m. Sophomores, Thursday, July 30th at 8 a.m. If you are parking on campus, passes are $25 and can be purchased online starting Tuesday, July 28th. The payment link is available on the CHS website. Now, a quick note for our Cabot Panther Academy families. The Cabot Panther Academy is home to our award-winning conversion 7th through 12th grade charter school and our 10th through 12th grade digital students, as well as our ALE program. It offers a smaller, more personal learning environment with a self-paced curriculum and strong teacher support. Orientation for both in-person and digital CPA students is required and will be held August 6th. Be sure to check the schedule for your assigned date and time. This is also when you'll pick up your schedule. CPA is currently accepting applications. You can apply online or pick up a form in person at 21 Fantastic Drive, right across from the water park. Parking passes for CPA students are $20 and can be purchased during open house. Speaking of open house, all traditional secondary buildings will host open house on Thursday, August 6th from 3 to 7 p.m. Students and parents are encouraged to drop by, meet teachers, and get ready for a great year. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact your school. We'll see you on the first day of school, Wednesday, August 12th.